Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Node, JS, NPM, and Chrome must be installed so tooling runs. Once done, create a project folder and add manifest. JSON with manifest version 3, background service worker, and pop-up. HTML, make a minimal package. JSON and install .10 for local secrets. Next, secure your OpenAI API key. Do not hardcode it, use a local env or proxy server for requests. These steps let you iterate safely and avoid leaking credentials during development. Now integrate Chatgpt by creating a backend proxy using Express. This keeps your API key off the client. Once the proxy endpoint exists, have the extension's background service worker call it via fetch, passing user prompts and session metadata. Make sure to implement request queuing, retry logic, and partial responses for long outputs. Also manage token limits, trim long histories, and send only relevant context. This architecture separates concerns and lets you update AI logic without pushing extension code. Finish by wiring the pop-up UI. Collect prompts, show progress, and enable edits. Stream tokens to improve responsiveness. Then refine manifest permissions, request the least privileges, and test thoroughly in Chrome developer mode, checking console logs and network calls. Once stable, bump the version, package the extension, and submit it to the Chrome Web Store following their policy checks. If something breaks, first inspect background logs and network requests. Often CORS, wrong permissions, or a leaked API key cause failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.